It's seed starting season, one of my favorite times of year, and we were off to a great start this year. And a lot of that has to do with the soil mix that I'm using. Up to this point, I've been using my standard mix at 50%, which is basically a peat-based product, but I've also been using what I had of a new product from Soil Cube called Veggie Mix. And I am super excited about it because I am getting great results at 50-50 mix, but now I have enough to go 100% Veggie Mix, which is what I'm using right now. So what is Veggie Mix? Well, it's a product that's made in Georgia, and it's available in the southeastern states from Alabama over to North Carolina and across to Tennessee. But it's humus compost. The base product that they've been making for years is just made from straw and grass clippings and manure that's locally sourced from cows right there in middle Georgia. And it's been fantastic. I've been using it for years. But this year they've got this new product. And the only difference is it's got 75% of the base product, and then 25% of it is wood fines. And you'll see that right here. I have a tub of the Veggie Mix here, and it's these fine, hair-like wood fine products that's helping improve the drainage, which is ideal for seed starting or vegetable growing or flower mix, you name it. Especially for containers, having that enhanced drainage is a really important feature. So that's that. What I'm going to do right now is sow it 100% because I now have enough to sow it 100%. I've never done that yet, but I'm so optimistic based on the results that I have been getting at 50-50, plus my experience using Soil Cubed over the years. I have no doubt that this is going to work wonders with getting those seeds to germinate quickly, and then I cannot wait to see the seedlings take off. And you don't need to add any supplemental fertilization. I don't anyway with seed starting, but because there are already a nice base element of nutrients in this mix, plus a lot of microbiology from the fact that it's humus compost, this is really going to enhance the growth of those seedlings. I have no doubt. And I'll show you the progress here, but right now I'm just going to sow some tomato seeds into each of these cells and then keep up with the progress. And if I got germination from a 50-50 mix like this, and they've got this much growth in 7 days from putting those seeds into the cells, I cannot wait to see how well these do. And I will keep you posted on the progress, and it won't take long to see those results.